Okay, Xavier Architects, what's up? We're back. This time we're starting a big project called the Ando 4x4 house. Want to see what it looks like? Something like this. Kind of cool, right? We're going to build this in Rhino. It's made by a famous Japanese designer called Ando. It's in Malibu. These buildings actually exist, and we're going to model them and see if we can make it happen. So I obtained the floor plan, and a great personal wear and tear. I have been able to figure out how to get it into Rhino, so it didn't work for a number of tries, but now I think I've got it. So let's save this as, I don't know, Ando 4x4, and then your last name. We'll save it. Overwrite that other version of this that I had. Start from scratch. And what we're going to do first is we want to bring in the floor plan. So I'm going to drop this down in my top view. Actually, you know what? Let's just go all top view here. And I'm going to go to the drop down arrow here and go background bitmap place. And I'm looking for the floor plan vertical, open. And then I'm going to click and drag out, let's say something like this. Okay, cool. And just make sure also that your the units on your properties, right? We want to make sure that this file that we're designing here is in the proper units. So it should be centimeters. And I'll add another 0 here just to be really precise. And so we've got our units to set to centimeters because 4x4, the Ando 4x4 means 4 meters by 4 meters. So here's the basic layout of each of the floors, right? First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. There's also a basement, but we're not going to model that. We're just going to go with these 4 floors. So by placing the bitmap like we did, right? Drop this down, background bitmap, place. It basically puts this in the back. I can't move this. It's just part of the background. So I can build on top of it and not worry about moving the original image. So the first thing I want to do is make this actually 4 meters by 4 meters so that when I'm drawing my floor plan, I have the right scale. So I'm just going to take the rectangle tool and go down. I'll put this on. Let me put this on a different layer. I'll put it on the purple layer. I'm going to go right to the corner of the construction here and start my rectangle. So I'm going to click here, and it says other corner or length, and I'm going to type in 400 since we're doing centimeters, and I want 4 meters. And then I'm going to type in 400 again and hit enter, and then pull back, and I've got a box that should be the size of the proper floor plan if we're doing 4 meters by 4 meters. So I've got to enlarge this and scale it up. Let's turn off object snap for the time being just to get this. So I'm going to go down to background bitmap. I need to scale this up, so I'm going to click on scale. And then I'm going to grab this corner, try to get as close to that corner as possible. Boom. And then where's my next spot? And that will be the other side of the house. Boom. And then I want to snap finally to the end here. Boom. And you'll see it will increase the size of the house to fit that square. So now I'm confident that we have a 4 meter by 4 meter layout for our Ando house floor plan. Looks like it's all good in the hood.